Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be just another clean with me. I haven't done one of these in a very long time. If you guys hear noise in the background right now, it's because I'm at the laundromat using the Wi-Fi little hack that I have to get free internet. But anyways, if you guys enjoy these little clean with me videos and if you want me to do more, please leave a comment down below and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here. And let's just get straight on into the video.
Intersection of my deepest needs. You were there, I knew, now you know. But when we met, I swear I came alive. My heart's on a jelly and I'm googly-eyed. Same old story with a zesty twist. I'm ready to relax in this magical bliss that is you and is I. So let's spend our time, baby. If I love you and you love me, let's plant a seed, watch it grow into a tree, baby. Why don't we grow some nectarines, baby? Why don't we grow a little, baby? We're in a world of our own, dancing to our own drum. And if there really is a soul, maybe now we found our own one. Same old song with a zesty lick. I'm ready to explore in this magical bliss that is you and is I. So let's not waste our time, babe. If I love you and you love me, let's plant a seed, watch it grow into a tree, baby. Why don't we grow some nectarines, baby? Why don't we grow a little? If I love you.
Ryan Little.
guys, I really hoped you enjoyed that video. I know my hair is a mess. My eyebrows probably look red. I just got them done as well before I started cleaning. But I am going to be on my way to the laundromat, the trash can, and put the bag in my trunk. So my house is completely clean. It's dark out now, so that's why my lighting is a little bit bad. I'm still recording with my front camera on my iPhone. You guys know the back camera is completely gone, so bear with me. I'm just trying to make it work until I find the right camera. So anyways, again, sorry for the way I look, but I hope you enjoyed that clean with me video, and I will catch you guys in the next video.